my name is Victoria Roa and I am a real estate lawyer here in Mexico. Our law firm, LSC Mex Legal Safe Trust, is located in Playa del Carmen and Tulum, and most of our clients are foreigners that are looking to invest in properties here in Mexico. Here in Mexico, if you own a property, you must pay a tax. I believe in the US you pay a property tax, so here in Mexico too. But the name of this property tax here in Mexico, it's called property tax Predial. Okay, so you will see this name maybe in some documents. So it's Predial tax. So who pays this tax in Mexico? Well, if you own a property, as I already told you, you must pay this tax to the government. So even if you are Mexican or foreigner, you must pay this tax. Which type of properties pay this tax? So if you have a property that is an apartment, a house, maybe a land without construction, or even if you have some commercial land or business, and if it's a property, you must pay this tax. Okay, so here in Mexico, the only kind of property that it doesn't pay any kind of tax, it will be the properties that are owned by the Mexican government. So how much will you pay for the property tax here in Mexico? So good news are these for you, because here in Mexico, this property tax or this tax predial, it's low compared to other countries I have heard from my clients. So here in Mexico, I don't know, for example, if you have a property of 2 million pesos, okay, that it will be around 100 USD, you will pay only per year the amount of 0.0019%, that it will be approximately 5,000 pesos per year. So actually here in Mexico, those are good news for you, because it's not very high, the property tax, and you will pay for your property. When do you have to pay this tax here in Mexico? Once you own your property, you will need to pay this tax each 2 months to the Mexican government. So, for example, you will need to pay this tax on January, on March, on April, and each 2 months. Okay, so my advice to you to not be paying this tax each 2 months. There is also an option that you can pay all the year in advance. Okay, and actually, if you pay all the year in advance before January 31st each year, you can have a discount from the government. It's around 25%. And if you pay also in advance before March, all your year in advance, you will have around 50% of discount for paying all the year. Just remember that if you make some improvement to your house, or maybe the land go up a little bit of the price, okay, that it's improved, some kind of improvement, this tax might be a little bit higher, but it not might vary a lot each year. How can you pay this property tax? Well, each property, they have a number that here in Mexico it's called cadastral number, or número catastral. So this number is written in your title deed when you buy your property, and with this number, it's a specific number for your property, and you can you're going to be able to pay your tax with that number. If you're buying a property in Playa del Carmen and Tulum, the websites from the government are available to do the payment online of the property tax, but sometimes it doesn't work. So just please verify that it's working the website. I am going to leave you the links for the payments in the description box. And if you're not able to do that payment online, you will need to go in person to the government. It's the local government, okay? You will need to go to the government from Playa del Carmen or to Tulum. Here in Mexico, it's called like the treasurer office, okay? So in Spanish, it will be something like tesorería, okay? Or ayuntamiento. Those are the words in Spanish that you will need to look for the office. So if you need to go in person to this office to make the payment, you will need to make the payment in cash. Okay, because sometimes it doesn't work the websites. So please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. Also, we are going to be uploading more videos about properties here in Mexico from our legal point of view. If you have any more questions about investing here in Mexico, actually we can schedule a phone call with you. It will be a free phone call and it can have a duration of 30 minutes. So we will be glad to help you.